the toys, wheels, and tails.
What are we gonna do today?
Today we're doing car races.
That's right. Okay, now what we're gonna do is have Hayden close his eyes, and he's not gonna know. We got some of our race car Hot Wheels out.
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes and pick the first one.
Okay.
Which one is it? You got the first two?
Yeah.
Let's see, they are, okay, put them on our bracket.
Like that?
Yep. Okay, now let's go do the next two.
Okay.
Okay, what'd you get this time?
A
Blue.
soccer ball
Oh, a soccer ball one
and a blue one.
and a blue one. Okay, put them down next on our bracket. All right, let's get two more.
Okay.
You peeking?
No.
Nope. Okay, let's see who's next. Which one's that?
A hot
Ooh.
rod.
Yeah, it's the yellow hot rod and the gold one. Put
Yeah.
him up there. Squeeze up there.
Yeah, he should.
You like that gold one?
Yeah, I like it.
We raced him a lot. Okay. Who's next?
Ooh.
Let's see. What's gonna be
Green car and a blue car
in the blue car? Let me see.
with different color wheels.
Oh yeah, I like that one. Oh, we
and
like that one
white
too.
wheels.
You've had that one a while, haven't you? Okay. Put them on next.
To the old one.
And there. And we just need two more.
I have this black car and this one, the same, almost like that blue
Here,
car.
let me look at it.
See? It's almost looking like it.
Oh, it's like it's a hot rod, has big pipes. Okay. So our last two.
Okay.
All right. So the first race is gonna be the blue hot rod and the red car.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's fix our track. Here, let me get up here behind you and see.
Okay.
Ooh,
Blue car wins.
blue hot rod. All right, so he goes here.
That.
Yep, on our bracket. And this
Okay.
one goes to the loser pile. Oh, sorry. Okay. Next two, soccer ball and turquoise clear car. Okay, here you go.
Okay. I'm not saying
Here we go.
which ones go in.
I don't know which one yet.
The blue one win, not this blue one.
Which blue one won?
This?
Oh, the turquoise and yellow. Okay. They put him here.
Okay.
I thought, oh, yep. Oh, sorry, soccer ball. Maybe next time. Okay. So now the battle of the yellow and gold.
Yeah. I don't know who's going with Sunny Pie with his boosters.
Ooh,
The big engine win.
was the yellow one, wasn't it?
Huh?
Is it yellow? I was too fast. I didn't. Yeah,
It's yellow. No, he
All right.
goes here.
exactly.
Sorry, Sunny Pie.
Oh, I think we ended up getting 2 extra cars.
Huh?
So we'll take these off. Which ones do you want to take off? We only need 2 more. We got too many. We'll take these 2.
Yeah.
Okay. These are the last ones to race
Yep.
for now.
Mom!
Whoa! That one won by a long shot. All right.
Mom, they're gone.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, who was the winner? Okay, bring him over here.
Yeah.
Sorry, you're out. Okay, now it's the blue hot rod against the teal clearish one.
Yeah.
Who will win
I
against the battle of the blues?
No. I don't know. I don't know who will win with those.
Battle of the blues. Oh, it was turquoise. Turquoise won. Okay. Sorry, blue hot rod.
Okay.
Blue turquoise.
Okay. Like this?
Yep. Okay, now for the yellow and the other clear greenish blue car. Okay. I'm gonna get back here so I can see 'em. Here they go. Start your engines. Oh, it was yellow, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
He was just struggling
He
along.
was struggling a little bit, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Okay, we're in the finals.
Yeah.
Who do you think's gonna be the winner?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, the winner gets the trophy. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, hold on. I'm not ready. I gotta see from down here who is the winner. All right, let it rip. Whoa! Turquoise, clear one. Put him in the winner spot.
Okay.
Doo-doo-doo. Okay, and let's see what the kind of the car is. It says Blitz Speeder 2015 Mattel. All right, put the trophy on. You are the winner.
Look.
Congratulations. What are you gonna do? Go to Disney World. It's pretty awesome. All right, say bye. See you.
Bye.